Hello there, I'm Carl, founder and CEO of METAVSHN, your all-in-one telecom operations platform. I want to welcome you to our telecom demonstration video. Before we talk more about METAVSHN, let's start with the most essential part, ordering a new plan for the customer. By the way, it's also super fast because METAVSHN combines so many things into one. Let me show you. Our ordering flow is standardized. In technical terms, it's often called a configure, price, and quote engine. We go beyond the quote and enable the ordering of said quote. What you see on the screen now is a demonstration of a salesman composing an order for a customer. He will first qualify the service against the customer's address to guarantee that the service can be offered to the customer's premises. After this, there will be a series of guided steps to set up the billing cycle, set up hardware devices, and choose the activation time slot for the service. METAVSHN will then immediately go to work, after receiving the order, to decompose it into all different elements and to orchestrate the provisioning of all these services with the different providers' subsystem. Now that you've seen how fast we compiled and accepted the order, let's talk about another really important aspect, logging everything. For us, at the end of the day, it all comes down to one thing, being transparent. And I think that this is one of the most important aspects of our solution. We actually gave it a name. It's called Activity Log. For one, it enables agents to quickly get a grasp of the current situation of a customer to help him immediately. And secondly, it's also really important for managers that need to step in at the right moment if a customer case gets too complicated and they need to quickly get up to speed. Here, Activity Log really shines because it enables anyone to step in, review the activity log, and quickly understand what's going on for the customer. Let's see it in action. When we navigate to the main page of the customer information screen, we're presented with the activity log on the right. In my opinion, the activity log is the true hero of our solution. Who wants to sift through 5 different screens and applications just to understand if an invoice has been paid and when and by whom? The days are gone. With METAVSHN, you see everything in one place. Another really important note is that the activity log is not editable by anyone. This ensures transparency and security. Everything you see on the activity log really happened. Now that you got a glimpse of what METAVSHN can do for your business, let's talk about what you're missing out on in terms of numbers by not implementing METAVSHN. In the 6 months following the migration to our solution, we have seen a reduction of up to 85% in order-driven errors. These errors usually happen from incoherence between what was qualified on the line and what is actually available at the customer's premise. With METAVSHN, this issue is completely eliminated. More importantly, we were able to cut the average resolution time of customer inquiries by half. I attribute the success to the ease of use of our platform and to the many automations we've built in, lowering the workload of agents drastically. This higher degree of service, as well as our native self-care application, have led to a dramatic increase of up to 2 points in the Net Promoter Score, both in the customer service category as well as the customer self-care category. Another major point is our extensibility framework. We call it service connectors. Thanks to service connectors, we were able to increase the time to market efficiency by 150% for our customers. This means going to market with new features, new product, and new promotions 3 times faster than before. And finally, the big one. Thanks to METAVSHN, we were able to cut down on the OpEx costs for operations by nearly 40%. As you can see, METAVSHN is an amazing platform that can turn any telecom operator into a fresh, fast, and efficient operation, with the fastest time to market than any other BSS and OSS stack, with an amazing user experience and a team behind it that truly knows the ins and outs of the telecom operations world. Working with us not only means getting access to the bleeding edge technology of BSS, but it also means a long-term partnership with a team that truly is there for you. It is also important to note that the founders of METAVSHN ran a telecom operator for more than 26 years. This means that we don't preach, we are not consultants, we are here for you. See us more like colleagues that want to thrive with you and elevate your telecom to the next level. So without further ado, if you want to level up your operations and finally give the tool to your teams that they always wanted, reach out to us to book a personalized demo and to figure out how to get the new way to BSS.